Sometimes we fall victim to a huge misunderstanding. People who give us a little attention, we fools, mistake that attention for love. When you miss someone a lot and want to talk to them, remember them from your heart and they will contact you. When a cloud's heart is full, it weeps in the form of rain, and when a mountain cannot bear the burden of grief, it spews its poison in the form of a volcano. Ever think that the bitterness in the tone of the person in front, may not be because of his arrogance but because of the bitterness he or she suffered in life? In this race of life, sir, everyone here is busy and making life better and better, so let's try this and see. No one can take the place of the person we love, whether we meet or not, even if the best or the best join our lives. Still somewhere, sometimes we miss the memory of this lost love. And the heart says that if he or she was there, the story would have been different. Yes, it feels that we keep being humiliated in front of such a person, who doesn't care. Look at yourself in the mirror once. Did your God make you so bad? What pain will your parents go through when they realize this? I know it is very difficult to explain all this to yourself. But believe me, you are nothing but a useless thought to this insensitive person. So forget it and be patient. A woman who says 3 things in front of you or takes more interest in these things, understand that she wants to marry you. Number 1, when she asks about your age, number 2, your income, and number 3, livelihood. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.